Today we're taking a look at the Lnkful 1080p vehicle black box DVR. It's a dash cam. We're going to open it up, check it out. All right, let's get this opened up and see what we have in here. Our camera itself. Let's take a look at it. Pretty light. Let's dig a little deeper in the box. We have our mounting suction cup that you mount that on your windshield. Our power supply cord. Comes with a SD card reader. Comes with our little crowbar tool that you can pull your headliner and your stuff like that to tuck the cable in behind. And a lens cleaning cloth. And it comes with a USB to USB-C data transfer cable. And our user manual. Okay, looking at the camera over here, we have our OK button, our mode button, our lock button, and our power button. Over here on the other side, we have our SD card slot. It comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card. We have our up button, our menu button, and our down button. On the top, we have our cold shoe, which you would attach your suction cup. It will go on there. Our power supply cord and our rear camera plug. This camera does not come with a rear camera, but if you have a rear camera, it will plug in right here. On the bottom, we have our reset and our microphone. This has a 3-inch IPS screen. It also has a screensaver mode. It will continue to record, but your screen will go blank. This is really useful at night to keep it from glaring. All right, I'm going to get this hooked up and we'll check out some sample footage and we'll cover a few more details about this camera and go from there. To go into your menu, you're going to want to hit your OK button over on the top right and then hit your menu button on the left. That will take you into your menu. You can adjust your resolution here. Just push the OK button and it will go to 1080 or 720, or you can set it to VGA. Your dual camera option, that's if you have a rear camera plugged in. Loop recording, you set if you want the video clips to be 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes long. It will make individual clips. Interval recording, wide dynamic range, exposure, motion detection, microphone, you can turn your mic on or off. Your date stamp, it's whether you want to display the date and the time on your video clip. Gravity sensor, which is your G sensor. If the camera detects a sudden shock, it will automatically lock that video clip so it won't be overwritten in the loop recording process. Parking monitor, that's when you turn your car off, your camera will go into standby mode, and if there's a sudden shock to your car, it will record for 31 seconds. And that covers those settings. To go into your other settings, you just push the mode button on the side, and that will switch over there. You can set your screensaver, auto power off, your frequency, your boot sounds, key sounds, language, your date and time. This is where you would set your date and time. Your infrared lamp, format your SD card, and you can restore default settings. And this will tell you the firmware version of your camera. And that covers your settings. There are a lot more details in the user's manual, so be sure to check it out if you have any further questions. Now, let's get to see sample footage. Okay, I have it out there. Now we're gonna check it out. My windshield seems to be a little dirty, so if you are seeing something that is obstructing your vision slightly, it is my dirty windshield. I do apologize for that. All right, my final thoughts on the Lnkful A25L dash cam. It's a good little dash cam for this price range. The daytime video quality is adequate, as well as the nighttime video quality. Both of them would capture any hazards that come your way. the parking mode, the G sensor, and the time and date stamp is important features, and they are in this little dash cam. As I said, for this price range, this is a good little dash cam.